Okay, this is a Mulberry iPad case for an iPad mini in this beautiful chocolate brown, real deep, rich chocolate brown leather, and the smell is absolutely delicious. If you like that leather smell, honestly, this is just beautiful. So I'll show you that in a second. I'll tell you what it comes with first of all. It comes with Mulberry, just a Mulberry box. Inside it has Mulberry tissue paper. It's also got this, which is just part of the packing. We've got a care document, Mulberry care doc, and also the Mulberry product tab. Okay, so we've got Mulberry tree on the front. It's got a leather flat fasten. We open it up. Okay, it's quite self-explanatory. We've got the Mulberry tree logo on the bottom there as well. And you can see you've got 3 different slots of where you might want to stand your tablet. Every time I move it, I can smell that leather. It's just delicious. So, condition is excellent throughout. Excellent exterior, excellent interior. It's fantastic if you were looking for a Mulberry iPad mini case, but equally it's in such good condition, and of course you've got all the packaging. It makes an awesome little gift for somebody. There is a link to this on our website. If you're watching this video on YouTube, if you go to my comments below, there's a link to this on the website. On there you'll find all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets, bag straps, etc. And if you sign up for the newsletter whilst you're on the website, we will send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase. It's dead easy to do, it takes a few seconds. Just scroll to the bottom of any page on our website. There's a little box, put your email address in. We will immediately send you an email that you need to verify, and then we will immediately send you your discount code. If you don't get any of those emails immediately, it's going into your spam folder because your security is like impenetrable. Is that the word, impenetrable? You know what I mean? So go to spam and it will be in there. And the best way to get the discounts coming into your inbox is to add us to your address book. So go to the website, sign up to the newsletter, get your discount, add us to your address book, and then you'll always get anything else that we send you in the future. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel. We have Armcandy coming in every single day. You don't want to miss out. So subscribe to the channel, set up your alerts. Also, finally, in the comments below, I have put a link to our Instagram. If you're on Instagram, come and join us on our Instagram journey.